What's that called?
Alibata.
I thought you said CCTV. You have to explain it step by step. That's Imba build, bro. That's my Carla vaping with lots of sweat.
Malsangan?
It's more lisangan in the Philippines.
Okay na.
Look at the juice. It's banana cream. It tastes like banana.
Okay na. Wala eh.